earring here for wrap the earring easy here. Thank you. So we make another pair of earring to make it easy. This earring not only to wrap the beads on it, we can also dangle the small cute beads on it as well. Hi Sabine, happy to see you. So I continue use these beads. We make a set. So this one we use the silver, and we go to use 0.3 millimeter wire again. 0.3 copper wire. I'm a shop sell the copper wire. If you are interested the wire wrapper, you can get a copper wire here. This we have the most popular two color, gold and silver. We have black, pink, rose gold as well. You need the 2 millimeter wire only in rose gold, no in gold and silver. Tutorial for the ear cuff. Not yet. I will go to post on this phone. I'm going to post. Yeah, it's just a new one. So only the 2 millimeter in rose gold color, no gold and silver. It's so much thick. Okay. This is the 0.3 mm the size. It just is 29. Just type 29. I go to pack it for you tomorrow. Or if you are worried about the size, I'm going to send you a picture or a video after my live by WA. I go to search, check where I put my wire. It's a long time ago, so I need to find where I put them. Okay. So here, 2 millimeter. We can go use this wire, this beads wrap it around by the 0.3. So here we go. 50 centimeter I cut. 50 centimeter I cut. I'm a little afraid it's not enough long. Just try 50. Yeah. Okay. No problem. I try if the 50 centimeter enough or not. Here. Let's wrap here. This one. Here. Then we go string the beads. We use the 2 millimeter. So here, if you string the beads, your eye is not good, you can go through by this way. This way will be more easy for people whose eye is not good. String it directly from the string. So even your eye is not good to see the hole, you can by this way. It's help you to go through the beads. Thank you. We just make it. Yeah. Today the tutorial for earring. Okay, let me see if it's enough. Here. Oh, it's too much the beads. See here the beads too a lot. Even from here we see that is just all around, but we have to take away this. We need left about 1 centimeter the space. Yeah. Okay. Then we start to let the beads come. Okay, then here we wrap it and wrap 2 times or 3 times, both work. Here Then we start to rub the beads one by one. Here, rub the beads. Here, this. Rub. Why I left 1 centimeter? Because you let the wire rub the space between the beads. It take the space, so it will come tight. Yeah. Okay. Here, rub. Here. Tight. This is a earring that's very easy making. Okay. Actually, we're missing a little bit, but it's okay. Just left it here. Maybe not too much space, 1 centimeter. Here. Move. Okay. Just let it keep the space. Here, missing the beads, we left it here. Okay, then we continue. Rub, go cross. Because why rub one more time? Here it's not. It can be fell down. When you touch it, it's going to be fell down. So one more time, rub across. It's going to be stronger. It's fast making. This is a design we made. We have a tutorial already. We make this design long time ago. Here. Hello, Kate F. Everyone is finding you. Here. This. My face. Here. Your favorite design is easy making. Here. This one. Okay. So this is the earring. Then we make another. It's the silver color here. 50 centimeter is enough. Is enough for this design. So we again cut 50 centimeter. Okay. Yeah, cute and easy making, right? Let me count how many beads. We need to make the pair earring left and the right seam. 3加3加3 3 4 12 3 5 15 3 6 18 3 7 21 22. Okay, continue. 22 piece the beads. Here, we wrap. Here. Thank you. Then 22 piece beads we need here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 8加5 13. 18. 22. Okay, here. Here, this way. Elegant, I see your message. I will reply to you later. Here. Here, this one. Mistake count the beads. Why it looks so much a lot? 看起来好多。2、4、6、8、10、12、14、16、18、19、19, not 22. Okay. Yeah, we are a shop that sell the jewelry supply. How much are the silver and the gold earring? Silver earring 1.3 one pair. Gold color $2 one pair, and you need to make the beads and wrap it by yourself. Here, yeah. If you want, you just got it. People also just wear it by itself. Also, yeah. You can. I think it's good for DIY. This palm earring. Here. This one. Okay, let's go wrap. 1, 2, 3. This is a new earring I've not updated in shop. Before we have the similar design, but it's a smaller size, and the wire, the part is the band is thick. This one is the thinner, so thinner one make it looks different feeling. Okay, here. Then we go wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wrap and wrap. Oh, sorry, I understand now. Then sell them, they give to buyers who buy. Yes, this earring is as a gift. Yeah. This is the pair. The ready-made earring is as a sample. We will give to the customer when they are ordered. Check out here. Rubber tight. So it's not so much hard, right? You just remember the tips. When you are string the beads, don't string the beads too much. Don't string the beads full on the band. Only you need left the space that's for wrap the space. You try one piece. I'm sure you understand what I mean. When you are try one piece, you understand what I mean. Okay, so this is the pair of earring that we just done. Okay, so we finished a gold earring this look. And we finished silver. I in this beads color, I love silver for these two. I love the silver color much. So the design, this is the new design, but the color much, I love silver. I love silver with this blue. This is a light blue. So nice blue, this one. Here. So we finished two earring by this hoop. Not only the design, we can try more design, of course. But here today, the tutorial for this hoop earring, we have two designs share with you. Of course, if someone remember,